I'm like of the philosophy, I'll be at an open house every weekend till it sells.
Absolutely.
Because you never know who you're going to meet.
Yeah, why wouldn't you? Are you here for, are you guys doing the like here for every showing?
Yeah, I'm here for every showing.
Yeah.
I think a place like this is important, but I also find, I mean, look, I've been doing this for 18 years. There's two ways to show a property. You could be an all over someone agent, or you could be someone who's like, hey, I'm here if you have any questions. In fact, I'll be outside.
Yeah.
Just let me know if you have any questions. Because when they leave, they always have questions, but they're like trying to call the agent. Yeah. I like giving tours, but if someone doesn't want the personal tour, I'll be here outside. You know, like, what am I getting for the transaction? Fresh cappuccino. Cappuccino, Miele, Carol Holiday's here too. We're having a good time. Discover Connecticut. Want to say hi, Victoria?
Hi.
This is Victoria Cooper, good friend of mine. We worked together for many years at Coldwell Banker before I left Coldwell Banker and then came back to Coldwell Banker.
Welcome home.
There's two types of agents. There's hammers and there's nails. Right? Are you a hammer or are you a nail? I think we know what Mark Pyers is, the creator and host of Discover Connecticut. I'm hammering it. I'm hammering it. Right? And you guys are all out there and you're thinking to yourselves, maybe I'll be a nail. That's on you. Welcome to Discover Connecticut, the first hyper-local community-based show about Fairfield County. We cover the real estate, the small businesses, and the 400 years of history under our feet. Subscribe and turn on all notifications. This is Discover Connecticut. Welcome. We're here. Oops. Let's get that cappuccino going, right? Miele. You guys, you know, you're like, what do I get when I go to 176 Logan Road? I buy the 176 Logan Road. What am I getting for the transaction? Fresh cappuccino. Every day, you gotta say that's a win. It's a win right there for you. We're gonna try it right now on camera. This is the taste test of the Miele. The Miele custom cappuccino maker. Oh, that's delicious. That is delicious. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm Holly Hawes.
Hi, Holly. Mark Pyers. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Yeah, I've seen listings over the years. First time we met in person, I think. Pleasure. Would you like a coffee?
No.
You sure? Making cappuccinos with the Miele.
Oh, that's great.
You know?
That's great, but no.
Okay. Take a walk through. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Yeah. You're doing your own pictures?
Well, I'm live streaming. I film everything.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
That's great. I saw that on the list.
Yeah, well, you know, if you can't make the open house, at least I can help.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
If you have any of those multi-generational buyers, this is like
I know.
absolutely ideal. Almost everybody's got either a kid home from college or a parent that's not doing well.
Yeah. I know.
So we're here, 176 Logan. I got my cappuccino here. Delicious. Cleaning, rinsing the milk pipe work. Right? You guys are doing it. Here we go. Rinsing. Guys, anyway, any questions you have about this property? If you have any questions about the real estate market at all in Fairfield County, I'd love to help you get to the bottom of those questions, get some answers for you. Most people locked into lower rates during the pandemic, and there was no need for them to put their house on the market to only lock into a new mortgage at a much higher rate. So we're dealing with some of those outside variables that we can't really change. At least we can at the moment. Yeah, Holly, thank you so much for coming by. Appreciate it, okay? Hopefully you have a buyer for it.
I do.
Oh, wonderful. I'll be here on Saturday and Sunday for the open house 1 to 4.
I'll send them.
Awesome, awesome. I'll do my best to sell them on it. Take care. Most agents would be like, oh, okay, I'll greet them and tell them hello. No, I'm going to sell them. I'm selling them the house. Guys, there's two types of agents. There's hammers and there's nails. Right? Are you a hammer or are you a nail? I think we know what Mark Pyers is, the creator and host of Discover Connecticut. I'm hammering it. I'm hammering it. Right? And you guys are all out there and you're thinking to yourselves, maybe I'll be a nail. That's on you if you want to nail it, okay? I'm not nailing it. I'm hammering it. Into the nail, double decker. Hammer, nail, combo into the slab, into the wood board, into the 2x4, into the log. Hello. Hey, how you doing?
That has to be the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Isn't that? How you been?
I'm well, how are you?
Good, it's good to see
Your
you.
photography.
Yeah, I'm doing a little live stream,
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No, not on. This is what makes the show good, is when people come and we have conversation,
You're not doing this live stream.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, I know where that is.
Hello. Hey, hey, Lisa. I'm good. How are you? Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Are in order.
Yeah,
How
thank
you
you. So
been?
nice to see you.
Good to see you. I hear the good news.
Our old stomping ground.
I know, right? Well,
You're the
you.
only one I know. It's like the open house. I was like, oh, no.
That's fantastic. I just saw Jane. She said, "You're not going to believe this. Lisa just took over the office." I was like,
Yes.
"Wow, that's awesome."
Yeah.
Hey, Victoria.
Hi.
I don't always look this way.
Ah, caught deer in headlights.
I'm like, that'll be right back.
Hey, I'd rather you show up in tennis. I don't care. Yeah.
I literally live right here.
You know, I hate is when people are like, "I'm not going to go because I'd rather you go see it. If you have a client, who cares? You're going to come back with your clients and you're going to be ready. You know what I mean? I'm like of the philosophy. I'll be at an open house every weekend till it sells
Absolutely.
because you never know who you're going to meet.
Yeah, why wouldn't you? Are you here for, are you guys doing the like here for every showing?
Yeah, I'm here for every showing.
Yeah.
I think
so
a
much
place,
sense.
a place like this is important, but I also find, look, I've been doing this for 18 years. There's two ways to show a property. You could be an all over someone agent, or you could be someone who's like, hey, I'm here if you have any questions. In fact, I'll be outside.
Yeah.
Just let me know if you have any questions.
Sure.
Because when they leave, they always have questions.
They do,
But they're like trying to call the agent. I like giving tours, but if someone doesn't want the personal tour, I'll be here outside.
Right.
Hey, Carol, how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you for coming by.
How are you?
Hello.
If you ever
Hey,
like an hour, I'm happy to see
Jessica, Mark Pyers, pleasure to meet you.
Oh,
Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. You have a buyer currently?
I have a couple buyers that are looking in
yeah.
Canaan.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So just need fitted.
Oh, I'm glad you came to see it. Take a walk through. Let me know if you have any questions, all right?
Hi, how are you,
I don't
Victoria?
always dress this way. I just got my dad back from the doctor.
You see? Cappuccino, Miele, Carol Holiday's here too. We're having a good time. Discover Connecticut. Want to say hi, Victoria?
Hi.
This is Victoria Cooper, good friend of mine. We worked together for many years at Coldwell Banker before I left Coldwell Banker and then came back to Coldwell
Welcome
Banker.
home. So let me go look upstairs.
Yeah, go ahead, do your thing. So out of Victoria, guys. You never know who can't make it to the open. Hey, Bettina, good to see you. Anybody want a coffee? Espresso, cappuccino. Got the Miele, right, built in. You should take advantage. Take advantage while you're getting it. How you been? It's good to see you. Congratulations to your son.
Oh, thank you.
I was watching, I was like, what? So was he at Arizona?
Yes, he was in Arizona.
And so he got drafted?
Yeah.
Oh my
so
goodness,
exciting.
that's
Yeah.
so cool. Do you want to say hi on camera or no?
Oh, no, that's okay.
No, I always ask people first. It follows me, but if you want to be on, I get a little closer to you. To me, agents chatting about the market is kind of cool. Like if more people thought to themselves, hey, you know what? I will talk to Mark and let him cut it up. And now I have free content that I could show me talking about real estate. So reconsider that, Bettina.
All right. I love your glasses, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Well, I could see a little bit better with them. It's about time.
Oh my gosh, this is lovely.
Yeah, take a walk through. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay. Wow, I love this picture. Oh, this is
I know, they redid everything. So this was a screen-in porch originally when they bought the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
That
they
was a great
incorporated,
idea to
yeah.
cut it out.
And everything, like, I don't know if you showed this when this was on originally before they bought it, but it was straight up colonial that we've all seen a million times in the 60s, and it just needed everything. And over the last 8 years, I think they've done every detail of the house.
Wow, I mean, this is great, I love it.
Yeah, and having the river back there is just a cool touch.
Really nice. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, and this is one piece of stone, if you could believe it.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Wow, it's beautiful.
$40,000 for the stone.
Wow.
Can you believe, like, 40K? I can go and get a nice one for $12.50. Give me a few seams. Give me a couple seams. I'll take the seams, you know? But this is beautiful. I love seeing someone put that much into it. And this, did you see this? This is, you may have seen my video, I don't know. But these, I love this. Like, come on, right? Like double drawers, so cool. Right here at the coffee machine. You sure you don't want a coffee?
No, I'm kidding. Wow, I love that feature.
I'm like my grandma. I'm like, you're gonna have a coffee.
No, I'm the Italian. I would send you all my food.
That's
Like,
true,
never
yeah,
mind
have a
coffee.
platter.
Oh, no.
A platter.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate it. Oh, goodness.
Activity?
Yeah, a lot. I mean, when you're the only game in town.
Well, you know, I'm so happy that it's Tuesdays.
I know.
Because Thursdays has become
Crazy.
Westport,
Oh, yeah.
Fairfield, Weston, and Norwalk on Thursdays. And how are you supposed to manage that and then?
Yeah, no, I agree. Well, hopefully I only need the one. Bring a buyer for me, Bettina.
Exactly. I love the dog bath.
Isn't that cool?
That's awesome. Yeah.
Do you have anybody for this?
I've sent it to someone. So
Oh,
let's
perfect.
see.
And then, by the way, next to the driveway, Lisa, thank you so much. Good to see you. I'll stop and see you, okay? Right next to the driveway is like, I don't know, a half acre of flat. You could put a pool there, pool house there, and then you just open up that and just make this like this big compound on the corner of Logan. So take a look on the way out to see that.
I will. I'll definitely check.
All right, guys, I'm on to coffee number, is this number 3 at this point? I don't even know. We're doing it though. 176 Logan Road, New Canaan. Open house here Saturday from 1 to 4 p.m., Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. I'm here both days, and we're selling it this weekend. I don't know if you guys saw the news report on that yet, but sold it this weekend, And you guys are like, wow, how did he do it? Mark Stradamus, that's how. All right, guys, we're wrapping this up. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join me on the next Discover Connecticut. Until then, it's your Realtor Mark Pyers with Coldwell Banker. Thank you for joining us. Please hit the like, share, and turn on all notifications. If you have a town or location you'd like to see next on Discover Connecticut, leave a comment below. Until next time, it's your Realtor, Mark Pyers, with Discover Connecticut.